Hey, if you want to change straps in your Redmi Watch 4, it's like super simple. It's much easier than on the Redmi Watch 3 Active, for example. So take a look. You will have to just rotate your watch and you will have to take a look on these two buttons. This one and this one. First, you can use your fingernail and press on it. Like this. And then you can just grab this strap and it will just you can just easily remove it from your watch. And we can do the same for this second one. So input your fingernail right here and then try to do this one more time. And then you can just take it off. You will have to just press on it until you feel that you are actually able to remove it. So you will actually feel some loose. And if you want to attach this bands back, that's much easier. All you have to do is just to input it right here. Take a look. That's how it looks. Put it inside, press on it, and it's actually done. We can do the same for the right one. There we go. When you hear that click sound, it means that the straps are inside and you cannot just take them off. Everything is fine with them. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.